Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Kev. My name is Kevin. In today's video, we are going to explore a concept in Python known as indentation. So let's explore. Okay, so you may have noticed this when we were learning about if-else statements. You may have noticed that for every block of the if-else syntax, we have some space. Like that space there, we also have this space here and this space here. So this in Python is a way of separating blocks of code. So basically this tells Python that this particular line or this line of code belongs inside this is block and this line belongs inside this block. The same applies to an else statement. We can have this when we are working with functions. So if I create a function, say a function that sums two numbers, like that, you realize that automatically Python moves the cursor by about 4 spaces or 1 tab to the right. So that is to basically tell Python that this particular line of code belongs inside this function. Okay, so I can say this print a plus b. You don't need to worry about the functions in Python. We are going to explore more as we move on. But basically you realize that this space here exists for every block of code. Now, if you don't have that kind of space, or if you don't have any space, so for example, if I have this here, now this will tell Python that this line belongs inside the main body of Python. Okay, so this is just a way of separating blocks of code so that we have cleaner code, or so that code does not run where it is not supposed to run. In other programming languages such as JavaScript, you have to separate each line of code with a curly bracket like that. But now in Python, you just need to have a colon and then followed by the block of code that should run inside your function, inside your if statement, or inside your loop. Another concept which you are going to learn as we progress. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you learned something. I hope you have enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.